So what's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix app crashing problem in your iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are facing this issue after iOS update. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this problem. For this you have to go to your settings and restart your iPhone. Tap on general, scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone. Wait for some seconds, then turn it on again. Wait for a while guys. After restarting your iPhone, if this problem is still going on, then try solution number 2. Offload and restore your app. So guys, the app which is crashing again and again, go to that app. Like my FaceTime was crashing and it is not working, and I will go to settings, scroll down and tap on the app which is crashing. Like I am choosing FaceTime. Okay, sorry. Go to storage, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, wait for a while. Go to app which is crashing again, like I am going to FaceTime. Tap on offload app, tap on offload app. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is on. Then reinstall app. So guys, it was the simple method that how to fix app crashing in your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.